spent a lot of years doing personal injury. Last few years I've been kind of just trying to do different things and not try to just focus on that. So hands and feet has really kind of opened me up to seeing a lot of different people, and so now I have my regular spine patients coming in. Say, Doc, I got my wrist. Hey, I got my, So they were learning more about it, and so it's allowing me to help them in ways that I wouldn't even think about helping them at first, because they come in with a foot or wrist or whatever. I'm just like, oh, okay, yeah, good for you. You have wrist pain, okay, But now it's like, oh, bring it here. Let me see what you have going on. So it's really helped me out a lot.